In fact, alpacas are so friendly that they often make great therapy animals for people. Alpacas have a very unique way of talking to each other. They hum. This soft humming sound is used when they're relaxed, curious, or even a little stressed. Mothers often hum to their babies to keep them calm. If you're around alpacas long enough, you'll start to notice how much they talk with each other. Alpacas love to be part of a group and are very social creatures. They live in herds and get lonely or anxious if they're by themselves. In fact, alpacas are so friendly that they often make great therapy animals for people. They enjoy grooming one another and spend most of the day grazing together. That's why farmers always keep them in pairs or groups instead of alone.